Oh.
I need $10,000.
Oh, hell.
My cash ain't doing no right.
Car too fast, can't stop at no light. I hit the gas, it's skirt, and I pull off. I'm on that ass, I just took a year off.
Oh. Hey, y'all wanna hear my stock? Shit. I ain't Oh. 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 Yes, sir. Stop.
Okay, why? When we gonna link up for the video, man?
We already linked. That's what they don't know.
Nah, but we need to link up for something official though.
Bro. We'll get some.
We'll talk about it.
We'll get some. I don't really know what the fuck to do. Now, I mean, they got a little something. This better than the last one though.
Yeah.
They got a little donut spot over there.
Yeah.
But you know how we get down. We get down anywhere.
Hey, so when I'm gonna get my review for the Chrysler, baby?
I gotta clean this bitch up, man. Shit,
When I'm gonna get my review?
See this shit dirty, man.
The car ain't really in the video right now. You in the video, so when I'm gonna get my review for this?
Shit, you can get it tomorrow, man.
You gotta have them lit the window down. Y'all can see it. How fine it is. Stop playing with it.
I just like the yellow fog lights. The car is alright. The yellow fog lights, shit.
Come on, man.
I was gonna sit out here and chill with y'all.
Oh, but
I got my old lady wants some seafood, so I gotta take her in my room for 10 o'clock.
man, you gotta go all the way in my road. It'll be okay. You'll be there in about 5.6 seconds.
But I wish, nigga.
That motherfucker be humming. I might get me one. I might fuck around and get me one.
I'm thinking about it. Not gonna lie, I'm for it, man, but bro, I gotta have something fast. Hey,
Don't for it, mate. Fast. That's what the F stand for,
Hey.
right?
but look though, Mustangs, I like them, but
Or the F could stand for fuck.
I
'Cause,
don't
you
know, bro.
It be on that bullshit
Hey.
sometimes.
I don't know. We both drive Fords. So
I mean, I drive it because it was a compromise to me.
I mean,
I wanted a Camaro.
I'm gonna be honest with
Is that an unmarked?
it ain't really a compromise. You think about
Is
it, bro.
that an unmarked?
Your car is nice.
It's decent. It's
I mean,
decent.
it's nice,
I ain't
bro.
gonna down talk my car, but I ain't
it's
gonna.
nice.
I ain't gonna promote it like it's the best.
That's your first car,
It's good.
bro.
Yeah, that's my first car ever.
What year that is? About 2014.
14.
You gotta look at it. You started out with 2014. Most dudes like me, I started out with 2000.
I mean, that's also because I waited though. You got this one.
Fresh out of high school, like
Exactly.
Like,
I ain't had no
fresh out of high
car.
school.
I ain't had no car the whole high school, bro.
Hey, was you working in high school?
But I didn't need a car in high school at the same time
Exactly.
because my house was right there across from the high school.
That's crazy.
So I ain't care about going out after school. Like if I did, I'd ride with somebody.
Wait, so you tell me all this time I've
No
been doing
job in high school too.
No job in high school, nothing. That's dang.
I got
look,
I got my job as soon as I came back from senior week. Ever since senior week, I've been clocked in at some type of job.
Cause I'm gonna tell you, I was working right while I was going to school, man, and I had a lot of fun. You know, so certain days I had to go to work. And I
Hey.
was still leave early.
You talk to me.
Be right back.
Think you gonna do a donut? Oh, he's spinning it. Okay, no donut, but he did spin him. We heard you, Bo. We heard you, Bo. Over there. I'm out of here. I'm back, cause it ain't copyright no more. Nigga, bro.
I hope y'all recorded it.
What a Honda, bro.
Hey, did you record it?
See, back in last year, July,
Uh-huh.
Record it.
it was raining. My boy tried
Can
to
you
goddamn
record
race
that?
in the rain, goddamn. I ran us off the
Damn.
road. That was a mean ass Honda.
Did you record it?
Yeah, I got it, but I mean, it was a distance, bro.
I was gonna go home, bro.
It was from a distance. They can't really see the tires spinning. I thought you was about to swing that hoe.
Hold on.
Oh, you about to? You lying. He lying. Get out of here. You're lying. Get out. Bro, I was trying to find your ass.
Man, I heard watching Trey get beat by shit. The
You
normal.
saw that? I ain't even get it on camera.
Boy, walked out of this motherfucking line.
I won $10 out there. Huh? Gambling. And
Let me get 5.
I can't.
Play, he gonna need some new tires tomorrow. Watch.
That was my boy.
That is the same reason why he don't drive it
That was
within
my boy.
2 days in a row.
Fuck that shit. Damn. It's a point in life where you realize, damn, my clutch is gone. Trust me, I've been there, done that. I hate to do it again. Who? Ty. You heard what Big Cuz Josh said? Tell him again, Josh. What?
Oh, damn. He gonna be waiting for a while. He better not hold his breath.
Hey, he said he want to see what he want to do now. Good job, yeah, look, Trey. How it feel?
Yeah, good.
It ain't a slow car in my count. I tried to tell you.
Talk to me, Nate. You know, you gotta update me, bro.
What? That white Mustang.
Where we at? Hey, over here. Who's driving?
The boy in the black hat, in the orange shirt. He wants Trey.
He want the green thing.
He want the green thing.
Okay. So
He
what they gonna do?
I don't know. He done race Sid. Sid beat him. I don't know.
Who raced it? The white Mustang?
Trey
Oh,
raced Sid.
I already seen that. I thought the white Mustang raced it. I was like, whoa.
It would have been the same thing.
Damn.
It would have been the same thing.
I don't know, but my boy from Rockingham with the blue shit beat Sid though.
Who?
He got the same shit like he got that year.
He
Man.
coming back though.
Yeah. I told him he'll get it.
No,
He'll damn 5 seconds. I still ain't seen no cat eye that you were talking about, bro. What's the difference? What's the cat eye?
Like my truck, like the front end, how the front end of my truck is a cat eye. That's like this truck here is a round body. Like my old truck,
Yeah.
them round bodies. But my new truck is a cat eye.
Alright.
Damn.
So what was the old one? That was a cat eye too?
It was a round body. I just said it.
I knew that. I was
No,
listening.
you didn't.
They won't listen.
Oh, you wanted to test me?
Yeah.
Hey, niggas be lying for the camera.
Ain't seen nothing to that. What quitting this?
Simp.
That's the simp right there.
I'm glad I seen y'all talking. Cause I was gonna put in the SS for the night.
Oh damn. Okay.
We were gonna go to Sweet Frog. Yeah,
Yeah, Trey, you about to lose.
Hey, believe me, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, tell him come down there to airport, bro.
I come to him hot down.
Come to him. Motherfucker, we... Hold on. Let's get this on camera, though, bro.
12 SS.
Trust you calling your name?
Oh, you want to ride? I got you. Come on. Show him what's up.
Man, I ain't gonna talk shit about Trey Carter. I ain't gonna go there and talk shit about Trey Carter. I don't like this shit.
He defending a different camp. I like it, because we all,
At the
end of the day, we all in the same camp some type of way.
Don't say that, because
Some type of way.
that's fuck everybody else. My camp, the fastest camp.
So who in your camp? Am I?
Me, Carl.
I'm a prospect of the camp, though.
Not what Trey is, I'll tell you that. Me, Carl, Sid, Bryson, and need to say more?
But I'm a prospect of the camp, bro.
Devontae, woo! You can't forget about woo!
Yeah, he forgot all about me, guys. Let's just go head home, guys. Bro, let me get an avalanche and show the motherfuckers how to do it, bro. Nah.
I was about to say, goddamn, they gonna do them like they doing that for these wild men in the car wash.
Fuck no.
It was all nice until it got to the back. I don't know why
Yeah.
these boys think they faster than my
yeah.
damn account.
Man, go get Michael, bro.
Well, yeah.
Go get Michael, bro.
All right.
Man, let me get a fucking ambulance so I can show them, bro. They don't know, bro.
That shit ugly as
They
hell.
don't know what to do with an
Where
ambulance.
the fuck Jerry go?
He down there.
Doing what?
He burnt some tires over there, though.
Nigga, he don't want nobody to be paying attention to him while he doing it, man.
I be seeing
I need him to like go.
He do
Damn,
that
somebody about to hit your
20 minutes
shit,
too.
too. Damn, somebody about to hit your shit, bro. They turn.
Man, I ain't want no bullet to talk shit about Trey, man.
Hey, baby, come on.
Hey, bro. He said he want smoke tonight, bro. He said he want smoke, bro.
What?
He said he want smoke, bro. Right there.
What?
He want smoke, bro.
You want food?
No, he want smoke.
I gotta go back to work.
He said he'll get you when he get off.
Hey, where's my slushy at, bro? Huh?
Hey, you gonna spin him?
Some slushy. I need slushy food on you.
Must be slow.
I thought I was the only nigga that couldn't spin.
What? No, must be slow.
Damn, that shit rattling. Sound like a broken speaker.
Man, bro, those two shit by now.
No.
Hey, hit that hoe.
Bro got 112 back there. It's about to blow.
He got 112.
112, 110 is about to blow.
Oh, you a YouTuber, bro?
Say what?
He a YouTuber too.
Who, him?
My content better. I'm just saying, my content better.
Hey, I caught a nigga fucking the other day. He gonna say me, man, my name PK. I said, nigga, your name Punkin. Come on, Tyler.
Come on, bro. Lead me. That nigga, I know he ain't got no gas, cause the first time I went with him, he went all the way up to the bus garage. I said, you know what, bro? I just wanted to ride. But now look, I ain't following no more. Look, that nigga had his shit squad. Where he going, bro? Where he going, bro? What stop line? Where? Damn.
I'm gonna crib it.
Let's go.
Hey, all YouTubers go this way.
Well, damn. JC, why you call him, man?
I ain't had nothing else for it. Y'all should
We could have played tic-tac-toe or something.
Shit. I like checkers. I like checkers.
We could have did that. No, I'm about to go to the car wash.
Like my bitch back. Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm still slow. Oh,
How you feel?
Bitch, I get some pussy late.
Right?
They stay running people off, man.
You brought them up, bro.
Hey, man, they just wanted an excuse for somebody to leave. They hate, man.
They hate
They hating on people out here. One like a fucking one stick out this bitch.
Like a damn pogo stick.
Stick pogo.
Damn, bro.
Hey, Sean, bro. Yeah.
Go ahead.
We bought them at 25 cents.
25 cents.
Damn.
Ain't not 25 cents
I
right here.
thought he had to go back to work. Ah, damn. Ah, damn. Bro. Park, come here right quick. Where you been at, man? Bro, where you been at the whole night?
No. Oh, he tried it.
Yeah. Alright.
I did go for about 10 minutes.
Okay. Bro, you seen this nigga head, bro?
Man, fuck that nigga.
Hey, he said
Bro, that nigga not gonna keep it like that, bro. I know I'm about to ask you where you going.
Damn. Nah, he gonna hit you type
Behind me,
shit.
bro. What the fuck?
I don't know. They just kept following around. I guess they didn't have nowhere to park.
It ain't nowhere to park. I ain't about to go to Papa Joe's. Let's move your shit, bro.
I can't get out that way.
Dog, let's move your shit, bro. Let's move it, bro.
Hey, who truck is this?
Who truck right here? Who truck right here, bro?
Who truck is this?
Who truck is that right
Hey, can he use that stall right quick? Can he use that stall?
Bitch ass nigga, and pull the fuck off. I got the fucking act like a straight up nigga.
Let's move it, bro. Let's move your car. Trying to get out the way. No, let's move your
Somebody
shit,
gotta
bro.
move out of the way.
Let's move this shit, bro.
Oh, here's this one right here.
You gotta move.
That's why the world is like
Hey, bro, tell him to move the truck so he can watch.
Hey, who drive this right here?
Hey, who
Who drive this, bro? Who drive this right here?
Man, they ain't gotta move.
Hey, somebody gotta move.
He about to move his truck.
You want me to come here?
What's wrong with him?
He need a stall.
You the motherfucking car wash. I got to ask. I asked that first time. God damn it.
Y'all using this shit. But y'all not using it.
I asked that the first time.
Y'all not
Hey,
using
this is the
it.
language y'all motherfuckers get. It's what? Just how you
Yeah,
react.
look at it. That's why we
I
fucking
asked you
shoot.
first night.
Ain't
And I
none of y'all
used car
spending no
wash.
money. Y'all
Now
decided
you
to
got
use
something
it.
motherfucking face. You ain't dealing with no motherfucking bitch ass nigga. You dealing with a motherfucking man. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what you do. Only thing you done did is had a motherfucking bathroom fight. I don't give a fuck now. Alright. Motherfucking name.
Alright.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Hey! Hey!
All right.
Hey,
I need to be out there to vote when it comes November. Instead of sitting around here like some old lazy ass. What the fuck y'all need to do?
I don't know. I think somebody about to shoot this nigga. They got mad because they couldn't get a stall. We gotta go to Papa Joe's, bro. I don't know.
Ain't gotta be nowhere begging nobody for shit. Y'all motherfuckers sit here. Think y'all gonna sit here and fucking beg for stuff. Fuck no. Whatever you want, I got it.
Imagine. Just imagine now. Just imagine pulling up to a car wash, assuming that he is from around here, and you see that bitch full as hell. Why not go to another car wash?
Damn.
Like I said, you see it. You see it.
Fucking me, I ain't get worried about that nigga blazing shit.
Trey, come on, man. Calm down.
Man, fuck that nigga, bro. He
You wanna
talk
hug, bro?
disrespectful, bro. I'm telling niggas, be quiet and chill. I'm gonna be talking nice, but he wanna act like a fucking nigga, so I act like a nigga too. Thought somebody was scared of his ass. All them fucking people out there like somebody gonna be scared of his ass. Talking about some fucking lies, bitch. Bitch, I don't give a fuck where you from. I been here 20 years, nigga. I don't give a fuck how long you been here.
Trey, calm down.
I slapped the fuck out of that nigga. I about walked up to his fucking car. He lucky I ain't have no damn gun.
Bro, all I heard was a whole bunch of.
He slapped
As soon as that nigga came out there, he ain't slapping.
You want something to
I
drink?
wish that nigga would pull up with that
I
bullshit.
can
This
buy-
damn
I can
Papa
buy
Joe's,
you-
I let his ass have it out here.